Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my name. Jolene, 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 please don't take him just because you can. Your beauty is beyond compare, with flaming lights of open hair, with every skin and eyes of emerald green. Your smile is like a breath of spring. Your voice is soft like summer rain, but I can beat with that Jolene. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't say my name. Jolene, 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 just because you can. You could have your choice in me, but I can never love again. He's the only one for me, Jolene. I had to have this talk with you. My happiness depends on you, and whatever you decide to do, Jolene. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my name. Jolene, 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 please don't take him just because you can. Jolene, Jolene.
Well done, Lily. Kelly, what would you like to say to Lily?
Oh, I'm so glad you went with a country song. And I remember last week it was mentioned about country, and you said you really loved country, and you can tell. God, that song and the way you sang it just offered us so much, like vocally. It just showed off so much variety in your voice. You had that, you know, like I know Dolly Parton sometimes she sort of like talk sings in to tell a story, and you had that, you had the growls, you had everything. It wasn't as if you were singing, it was as if you were really sort of like telling us the story of that song, and that was really, really captivating. And it showed off so much more power than last week, so much more range, so much more creativity, and I feel like we really got to see you at your best. I think this is where, I mean, I know like you had problems with the track, but we wouldn't have known that. We wouldn't have had any idea about that, because you handled that extremely well. You really did. You covered it up and you mastered it really, really well. I thought that was an amazing performance. Your vocal on that was absolutely stunning. Well done.
So,
Yeah, that was absolutely breathtaking. Like from the moment you opened up your mouth, I had like full body shivers. It was the perfect song choice for you, and you picked the perfect backing track as well. Like it complemented your voice so lovely. You do like, your voice does like natural cracks when you sing, and I love them. I live for them. Oh wow, they're so stunning. The light and shading, that was perfect. The range, your tone, everything is incredible. And overall, I think that was like just such like a sophisticated performance, like the way you look, the way you handle the little wording issues, whatever. Yeah, it was honestly breathtaking. It was phenomenal. Well done.
Lily, I want to start off by saying you are a phenomenal singer.
Thank
You are truly phenomenal. That was beautiful vocally. You're standing there right now, you're thinking, I messed that up so bad, what was I doing? Let me tell you now, first of all, the instrumental was perfect. Just like Zoe and Kelly said, instrumental, perfect. Complimented you so well. The original instrumental of that song actually confuses me a lot, because it's like, everyone's dancing and it's like, I'm getting cheated on, it's like, it doesn't make sense. I think that was beautiful. Yeah, I think that was beautiful because not only did it give so much more passageway to feel the emotion of the song, but it also gave you more of an ability to really make it your own. And this was a perfect choice because even though, yes, the backing track stumbled on it a few times, you actually made it, I would argue it made it better. Because we saw more of your vocal ability through your kind of panicked improvs.
Yeah.
We saw like you were going for high notes, you were really, no one is ever going to hear a version of that song like that again. And it all came from what you can naturally do as a performer. You were under pressure and you made something better. That's not a failure, that is a sign of a true great performer. Well done.
I mean, Travis took my words really. I was just about to say, you know, like some of the best things come from pressure, and what just happened there, and personally I want to say I'm glad that happened, Jim, and I'll tell you why I'm glad it happened, Lily, because it got to show me that as a true professional, you managed to guide your way through that track and be creative and do your own little thing, forget the stumble. That is a mark of a true professional, right? The fact you went through that, it all happens to us, it happens to us all the time. You don't know the word, you keep going. You improvise, and that's exactly what you've done. A lot of people would have stood there and go, I don't know where to turn it off. You didn't, you kept going, and that I commend, and it makes me feel so much more drawn to you as an artist, because now I can see that you are capable of improvising if you are put under pressure, and that shows a lot of skill to me. Reverting back to the track and what we did get to you that was on form, it was absolutely stunning. And I said to you last week that I believe that this is a really special talent here, and you are proving me, the room, and everyone that watches this right, because that's exactly what you've shown us. You've stepped up another level. Whatever you come up with this arrangement today, keep on that path because it is helping you soar. Beautiful, absolutely bang on. Round of applause. Apply now at www.musicwales.org.